Hi everyone, this is Rick here. Welcome to Digital Fortress. This is the third in my series of Daedalus Flight update videos, and I'm cranking out these videos as the Byron reboot era wraps up and the Shelly mainnet release is imminent. So what I have here is a real quick and dirty restore video doing the Daedalus restore procedures. Check out this time-lapse video that I have for you. All right, as you can see, Daedalus Flight, it restored in just over 20 minutes. Looks like the legacy Daedalus 0.15.1 will take about 2 to 3 hours for it to complete. And look for more of these videos coming out. I'm going to do as many as I can as quickly as possible over the coming weeks and couple of months. I'm anticipating an update to Yoroi coming out, so I'll do some for Yoroi as well. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching Digital Fortress. Bye-bye.